manufactured and modular home construction. We are also proud to sell and insure the finest manufactured homes and modular homes available in America today. Palm Harbor's commitment to customer satisfaction and our unmatched construction process guarantee more home for your money. Palm Harbor is dedicated to not only building homes, but dream homes that will last. How do we do this? At one of our building centers in Austin, Texas, it starts with our builders, some that have been with the company 10, 20, and even 30 years. This is how you know that your home is in the hands of experts. We custom build every one of our frames for the specific floor plan. All of our frames start with solid American-made steel I-beams. We custom weld C-channels, frame clips, and outriggers for added strength and solid connection to the subfloor. Once the frame is custom built, we weld in a camber. The camber allows for the weight of the home and provides shock absorption as the home travels to your home site. The frames are not attached to the home until they are about to depart the building center. Our homes are less expensive than those built on site because Palm Harbor orders materials in huge quantities, such as National Gypsum Sheetrock, Owens Corning Insulation, and Louisiana Pacific Exterior Siding. Also, we recycle all waste like cardboard because it is the right thing to do and it saves cost. Our goal for waste is 5% or less. Also, the labor cost percent for a single home built on site can exceed 50%. Because our homes are built in a building center with large cranes and assembly line technology, our labor costs are less than 20%. The floor is what starts the building process. The floor begins with this nylon impregnated paper, which is a vapor barrier and is rodent resistant. On top of this is the R11 floor insulation, which insulates the plumbing so that it does not freeze in the winter. Our flexible Plumbex plumbing system will withstand temperatures as low as -75 degrees Fahrenheit, and if the water were to freeze, the pipes will expand and not burst. The floor joists are number 2 grade lumber or better, 2x6 or larger with 16 inches on center spacing. The rim joists here use gang nails on both sides to secure the joists together. The gang nails are stronger than the wood itself at those points. The floor is tongue and groove OSB or oriented strand board, which is the best in the industry. The tongue and groove is lengthwise and the seams are staggered widthwise. The OSB is attached to the floor joist with ring shank nails, which have raised rings at the top for extra fastening grip, and a polyurethane glue which sets in about 20 minutes. A crane suspends the flooring to use later and to make room for a new floor to be built. All the floors, walls, and ceilings are built on jigs in one piece, which ensure accurate angles and then are lifted onto the home with large cranes. The exterior walls are 2x4s every 16 inches on center, with R11 batt insulation in between the studs. R stands for resistance to airflow. The approximate thickness of the insulation in inches can be determined by dividing the R value by 3. The R number also signifies how many hours it would take for the outside temperature to equal the inside without climate control. The top and bottom plates are 2x4s for additional strength. The interior walls are covered with a 1/2 inch gypsum board and are taped and textured throughout. The walls are attached to the floor with these 3.5 inch wood screws. The trusses are pre-manufactured and are rated at 20 pounds per square foot. The ceilings are a 1/2 inch high strength ceiling board attached to the roof trusses by a foam seal glue that holds like a liquid nail. And it provides for a smooth ceiling finish because no screws are required from below. The ceiling contains cellulose R21 insulation that is blown into the cavity. The advantage of using cellulose is that it fully covers the entire roof, minimizing energy holes, and sticks together. Another reason why Palm Harbor Home is so energy efficient. The ridge beam here consists of a 1/2 inch plywood on both sides of the marriage line, a very strong process for joining the two halves at the roof. Up on top, the roof decking is a 7/16 inch OSB with H-clips in between to keep the deck from bowing when walked on. A tar impregnated paper is then rolled on top of the OSB, which seals the roof when the tar heats up. Asphalt paper is applied to the valleys where the dormers meet the roof. The final layer is Owens Corning fiberglass shingles, which feature a 25-year warranty. Work on the inside parallels the outside. The interior walls and ceiling are taped and floated during the day shift and then are textured during the night shift to ensure that no time is wasted. The windows are low-E dual pane sunglass windows that feature a green tint. The green tint is ground into the glass so it does not peel off with age. The sunglass windows block approximately 1/4 of the sun's heat and ultraviolet rays, so your air conditioning bills will be lower and your carpet, drapes, and furniture will not fade as fast. The bottom section of the window also tilts in for easy cleaning. Our cabinets are high-quality trademark DuraBuild construction. The advantage of being built this way is that the face frames are screwed together, where most of our competitors just staple the face frames. All of our face frames are 3/4 of an inch thick, as opposed to the industry standard, which is only a 1/2 inch thick. Being 50% thicker gives them added strength and durability. We also feature dual steel drawer guides, which glide very easily and have an automatic stop. The hinges on the cabinet doors are hidden from sight and operate very smoothly. In the final stage of construction, our quality assurance team and a state inspector comb the home for quality nonconformances. The Housing and Urban Development, or HUD, requirement for this test is every 3rd home, but Palm Harbor triples that requirement by testing every home. We want to make sure that when your home is delivered that everything works the way it is supposed to, from hot and cold water, to dishwashers and ceiling fans, to window operation and appliances, even cabinet doors and drawers. It doesn't leave the building center till we know it works the way it was designed. The care that goes into every inch of our home is what separates us from the others. Palm Harbor was named the winner of the US EPA's Energy Star Homes Program Manufacturer of the Year, and the Manufacturer Home Institute chose us for the 5th consecutive year. With this much dedication and recognition to building your dream home, the decision to choose Palm Harbor will be a simple one. It's easy to see that you'll always get more home for your money.